Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you a website which is really an awesome website, or you can say app or a website which is going to help you make like in the range of $50, $100, $200. This is just like, even if you have a skill, that is good, that is really good. Even if you don't have skill, I will teach you how to make money from that website. Okay, so it's going to be an awesome website. I'm sure if you heard about it, then it's good. If not, this is really going to really help you. That's it. Let's jump onto the video directly. So if you're first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. That will really help me to grow my channel. I truly appreciate. I do all the videos here. You can see all about make money online, and it's like from the $5, $10 range to $500 range. You can see how to make money online. Okay, it's to a certain extent, 90% almost of the time, 90% of the time, it's genuine websites. Anyway, so straight to the website. So what is this website? Okay, I'm going, before I tell you about this website, most important thing when it comes to make money online, there's no such thing as easy. Although I might put easy to earn money, all this stuff, this because it's a thumbnail and it is that's how the algorithm works for grabbing attention. But when it comes to make money online, it is truly hard work. Always remember that before you even start thinking about making money online. Okay, that's important. Okay, let's jump onto the site which I was talking about. There you go. It's called Skillshare. This has been there for quite long time, but many people, they don't really take this seriously. You know, telling you guys, this is a place where really you can make money. Problem is, people think only if you are good at, of course, if you are good at any particular skill. This is a website where you go and upload your courses, and you when people come and watch those videos per minute, like, you know, like for you get paid more minutes they watch, you get paid. So that's how it is, the best of this website. Okay, this is like, whether you're a photographer, videographer, whatever you're good at skills, you can come and do the videos, upload it here, and that's it. It's like a kind of a passive where whenever people watch, you're going to get paid. But don't get discouraged if you don't have any skill. Just wait till end of the video. I'll show you some tricks and hacks where you can get, like, you know, free contents and free ideas. Of course, you have to work hard, but where you can get inspirations and how to get videos and all those content in order to upload it here. Okay, I'll show you some ideas about that as well. But let's jump on this website and show you what's all this about. So this is Skillshare. As I said, you know, people, you come literally. Let me show this one. See this? You come and click here. Any of these skills you have, animation, creative, whatever is film, video, whatever the topics you're good at, you can come and make video on it, upload it, and you can like leave it just like that. Of course, you know, you have to promote it in a different ways, but this Skillshare in itself has huge traffic coming in. You know, if you go and check on the website, traffic's website, it will show you how much traffic this website is getting. So that itself, it's getting website. Of course, you get promoted as well. But I'm trying to say is, this is a place where you upload videos and you can start making money with that. That's really awesome website. Don't think, in case if you are good at all these skills, of course you can upload the videos and make money. And there is also an extra method to make money with this website. If you can wait till end of the video, I'll also reveal that. Okay, not just by uploading videos and stuff. There's also other ways to promote this one. That is my way of promoting it. But anyway, I wanted to tell you this first. So if you like, if you have skill, come here. You know, you can see there's all these stuffs. You know, find what fascinates you, animation, design, illustration, whatever it is you're good at, come and do all these things. But it just, you know, what you want to do is, like, you know, you come in, like you can see this, become a teacher. This is the main way to make money. Of course, I'll show you that money which I try to make money, which is my different style of, that is what I do. Which is, if you can wait till end of the video, the other style of making money with this website I'll show you. But first thing is first, this is the most important way to make money. Whatever the skills you have, you come here, just press start a class, and you're going to upload videos in this. Of course, you need to sign up on all stuff. You'll be uploading videos, which is like tiny bits. You know, you can see this, any of these ones, if you see animation, just to give you an idea of what's all about. See this guy, you can see this introduction to cinema 4D, a beginner's animation guide. It's like 642 students. Imagine, just go 1 hour 25 minutes, 1 hour 5 minutes about animation. traditional animation. So it's all about animation, right? So if you go into this one, if you see the videos, if you see how they have laid it about 1 minute 40 minutes 57 seconds.
Animation
Oh my
is
God,
an
sorry. So
amazing
let me
tool.
stop with that one. Okay, so this is how your videos are going to be. Part videos, you upload it. Whatever your skill you have, do this. How to upload all those things are different topics to talk about. But what I'm trying to show is this, like a genuine website which has been there for quite long time, and people don't take this website seriously. This is one of the ways to make like easily 50, 100, $200 with this Skillshare website. Okay, this is how you upload videos and you make money. Okay, this is just a gist I'm telling you. Of course, there are lots to do with it, but I'm just trying to show you how easily people can see this. 24 students are watching this class. Okay, cool. Anyway, so this is the not just animation, whatever the skills you have, you can come and share your skill and make money with this. Of course, it has all this hard work of uploading it, editing it, all those things are there. That is like different topic to talk about, but I'm trying to show you the way how we can make money with this. Okay, this is just one thing. So what happens is that, of course, there's like, just to show you what you have to do, how teaching works. Create your first class, you come and upload it, and this is how. So you will be paid monthly for every member who watches your classes forever. So this is how it is, for like per minute, like how much they watch, more and more they watch, you get paid. This is why many people, when they do courses, they upload it here. Of course, lots of other websites are there. I'll do another video on it. It's like Skillshare. There are other websites but this is more the top ones. One of the top ones where you upload it and it's going to be there forever, and people come and when they watch, you're going to pay it. It's really, really awesome, guys. If you have a skill and if you know something, don't ever think. Just an example, if you know how to make, like, imagine $10, always remember there are people who don't even know how to make money online. So that means you're already 10 steps ahead of somebody who doesn't even know anything. So if you can make $100 online, there are people who don't even know how to make the first dollar online or $10 online. So it is nothing wrong in teaching, like, putting together, this is how I did, this is the websites to do, this is how I make money. Of course, you can show the proofs, all those things. It's up to you how to show. This is what becomes a course. Of course, I've not gone into it because I have lots of other things, because I know whatever I'm doing as a free YouTube video, I can always put together as a course and put it as well. Okay, to be frank, we can do that as well. Thing is, I'm also doing drop shipping in the morning, like, the other local shipping here. I also do videos. So it's like a lot to do. I'm a single person doing this. So this is really, really an awesome thing. I always thought about it. But I'm also going to show you how I make money like a different way with this website as well. Not just this website, many other websites. I'll show you. Just wait till the end of the video. I'll show you that as well. Anyway, if we have skill, do this straight away. In case you are telling me I don't have skill, I don't know how to get videos, how to do videos, all those stuff, just here we go. I'm going to reveal you how to get ideas and how to go about it. Okay, so just in case, if you tell me I don't know what to do, I don't know what video software to use, I don't know how to get ideas, just give some tips. Okay, in case you know this now, you have some skill and you want to have some video softwares to do, there are lots of video softwares. Just an example, of course, there are lots of free ones as well, but this is like one of the favorite ones, which is called renderforest.com. This is a free platform. Of course, there are paid version as well, like there's a limit, but this is like one of the websites where you can come and like you can create videos, like white explainer videos, all those videos you can do. My favorite ones is, which I do even for YouTube, is Vidnami. Okay, this is a monthly version, but you have a free trial to do. I'll leave a link below. This is like one of the top most favorite of mine from the time I'm using this one. Really, really an awesome website. I've done lots of videos on this. You can check on my link. I'll leave a link below if you want. Whatever the kind of videos, same like Gary Vee videos, like the top and up bottom, like what do you call, like a square videos, social media website videos, all kind of videos can be made from this Vidnami. Okay, this is a paid one. Of course, everything has a limit, but it's up to you. I don't want to push you on anything. Of course, you can go with your iMovie editor, all the free stuffs are there. But what's the specialty of this website is, I'll leave a link below. I don't want to take time. Whatever the idea you have, you just put the content into it, and it automatically comes up with the images, videos, as well as automatic voice as well. So it's like 99% of the tough stuffs are done. You just need to edit few things where you might not like the image. So that is how powerful with this. Okay, this is Vidnami, is an awesome tool, which if you want, I'll leave a link below. Check it out. You will really I think they give you 14 days trial. I think 7 or 14 days. I think you can check out that one. Okay, this is the tools I'm giving. Of course, you can use your free Windows editor as well as iMovie if you want. That's not the issue. But what about, this is just a tool I showed you how to do videos. But where do you get ideas to do that one? Just to give you an idea, skills and stuff. This is a website which is called PLR. It's ID PLR. It's free as well. Come here. There's something called free products, free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audio. What I'm trying to say is all these are all PLR, private labeled rights. This is something you can reuse it, to be frank. There are few conditions are there, check it out. But some you can use it, resell it, we call it as resell it. Of course, if it is really quality ones, you can do it. Some 19%, it might not be quality ones. What I'm trying to say is when you come here, you press free videos, you get ideas how it is done. Of course, you can use it, that's for sure, but don't expect to make big money from this basic things. But I'm trying to say is this: if you go into it, you will know what's all about. This is like about WordPress website. It's about what is this mind power. This is about your sales funnel. When you go into it, you're going to get lots of videos for this free, so you get an idea of what they have done. You can reimagine it or like redo it and then do it for yourself. Of course, you can use the videos. I'm not saying not to use the videos, but it will not be that appropriate to just like that take it and put it from there. But I'm trying to say these are the places you get ideas what to do and what topics to talk about. Okay, this is one website I showed you. This is you get actually the free stuffs itself. That's one thing which you can use it for yourself. First one, this is IDPLR. The other one is my favorite. It's called Udemy, Udemy. Okay, this is a place if you come here, you get lots and lots of courses. Same like Skillshare. This is like a paid part of it where they give you announce the paid amounts. But there is also other thing which I've showed you many times. Just say like create videos. If you want to talk about video creation, just to give you an idea, you also get to see. Let me show you. There's something called a paid as well as you can see this free ones. Around 3,000, around 4,000 free courses. Why not? You can't use it. What I'm trying to say is these are the places you can go freely learn these stuffs. Go learn, get impressed, get ideas from it, do it. It's all hard work, guys. But once you learn, do a video similar to it, upload it. It's like your video, your content. Of course, you're getting, you can always thank these people for what you have learned from them. Always do that. So credit the people who we always learn from. That's very important as well. So you can, this is what I'm trying to show is if you don't have skill, always you can come and whatever your little bit of interest you have, might be logo design, might be video creation, might be graphic design. Come and learn from here, do a video and go and upload it in Skillshare. That's one style, okay? This is what I want to show you. Free methods I'm trying to show. Of course, you need to have video editor, all the stuff. I showed you that as well. The other thing is in case if you're lazy and if you have some money to spend, go to websites like Fiverr where you get to do like $30, $40. You can get a video properly done about any particular topic. Take it and upload it there. But this is going to be an expensive part where for it might be for 5 minutes they might do and give you have to spend more and more time for more and more videos. But this is the last one. That's why I showed you this one. But overall, end of the day, don't give me a reason that you can't do videos. You can still do videos. And I showed you the places where you can get ideas as well. Free videos as well. Take all these stuffs, go to Skillshare, come and upload it. That's one way of making money with Skillshare. Okay, you become a teacher. And my way of making money is, which I'm made to. It's called affiliate marketing. Skillshare, when you go down, when you keep going down, there's something called affiliates. This is what I know. You know about me. I do YouTube affiliate marketing with all those products. So this is a product where you come earn $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So I don't want to take the video too long. I just showed you straight away what is the other method of making money with Skillshare, where you promote Skillshare and make money out of it. So this is, I'm telling you guys, many people don't know about this. There are many websites where people think, I don't know teaching, that's it, they go off it. I don't want to teach, I'm not to become a teacher, I don't have skills. But to be frank, guys, it's all hard work, but end of it you get paid, your hard work pays, like might be 3 months, 6 months, you might be working hard. Once you get that money rolling in, then that's how you get interested and you start making money with that. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this affiliate side of it as well. That's a big topic to talk about, affiliate marketing. You can check out all my videos about that. But this is the other way of making money if you into affiliate marketing as well. Okay, this is other stuff where you promote the Skillshare itself, rather than working on it. Okay, that's other thing, guys. Anyway, so if you found any value out of this video, please comment below or complaints, anything, let me know. I will love to improve myself. That's always, I'm ready to improve myself. Anyway, and if it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. It will help me to grow my channel. Totally appreciate that. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.